Welcome to Dollar Says. Today, we're breaking down how to start trading the right way.
All right, let's start with a brutal truth. Most people think trading is a get-rich-quick scheme.
The reality is that without knowledge, you are way more likely to lose everything. So, what is trading, really? In simple terms, it's the business of buying low and selling high. Here's an easy way to understand shares. Think of a company as a giant chocolate bar. And it's super important to know that trading is not the same as long-term investing. Beginners often make the same predictable and very costly mistakes. It's really a psychological game. Our source material includes a powerful cautionary tale about the dangers of early success. As a beginner, he started trading with just 20,000 rupees from his savings. And get this, in just 4 days, he made a profit of 40,000. Pretty wild, right? This quick profit led to serious overconfidence. He started dreaming of Lamborghinis. Greed took over. He then chased bigger profits, broke his rules, and lost his entire 1 lakh rupees savings.
So how can you avoid this exact thing? Well, it starts with 2 non-negotiable rules for survival. First, you absolutely must have an active income. Trading is not a reliable salary, especially at first. So the crucial point is this. Your top priority is not to make a profit. It's protecting your capital. This is the golden rule. Never, ever risk more than 1 to 2% on a single trade.
This is your most important tool. A stop loss takes all the emotion out of the decision to cut a loss. Remember, success in trading is mostly mental. You are managing your own fear and your own greed. And this brilliantly illustrates the right way to learn. Don't jump ahead. You've got to follow the steps.
Now, what's really interesting is that you can get practical experience without any financial risk.
It's called paper trading. You use fake money to test your strategy in the live market. This is the essential first step for any beginner. Practice for months before you go live. So the plan is simple, but actually doing it requires patience. The real question is about your mindset.
We hope this explainer helped. Please subscribe if you want more guides to make you a smarter investor.